Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back. I was taking a sabbatical, very much needed, but let's just get straight into it, okay? So today we have the KAYALI Vacay in a bottle. Now, this is an unboxing slash just my personal opinion, okay? Let's get into this beautiful packaging. Like, it's very classy. We have a matte, not even matte, this is like a satin matte. We have the gold embellishment, the beautiful bottles, okay? Like, it's very classy packaging. Ooh, the money shots, okay? So this features 4 luscious shades, and this video is not sponsored, by the way, okay? I'm just doing this for you guys. It just came today, and I was like, I'm gonna open it anyway. I might as well do it on camera, okay? First of all, I just love the packaging, like the bottles. Oh my goodness, they're just beautiful to look at. I love her packaging. And you know what I like? They're not hard to take out of here. You see how easy it was for me to take that out of here? And I like these because these are the spray bottles. You know, sometimes you get mini and it's like the dabber. I don't like the dabber. I like a spray bottle with a beautiful crystal cap. Like, I love her packaging. Let me tell you guys, I am a package snob. I don't care how great the product is. If I hate the packaging, I'm not buying it. Not only do I love the packaging on KAYALI, it smells amazing. This is not her newest collection, but they're new to me. This one is Marrakesh in a Bottle Orange Blossom 24. Fun fact about KAYALI, the number is how many takes it took to get the perfect formula, okay? So I'm gonna spray it and give it a little bit of my feedback. Oh my goodness. This smells better than it did in the store, because I always go into Sephora, and I purchased this from Sephora online. This smells amazing. It definitely is giving all of Orange Blossom. And when I do my perfumes, I like to smell amazing. Like, who doesn't like to smell amazing? But the way that I apply my perfume, I start with a body butter, and then I put in oil, then I go in with a body spray, and then I go in with my perfume. Of course, you want to do scents that are complementary to each other. Not only are you going to smell like $1,000,000,000 and smell memorable, because that's what I like. So when you do that winning combo, thank me later, okay? Now we have Capri in a bottle, lemon sugar. Before I get into that, get into the background and my nails. Like, I was very intentional about this. It's very on brand with the Vacay in a bottle, Paradise Beauty, all the stuff. Oh, that smells lovely. It smells lemony, but not like cleaning scents. It's giving lemon luxury. It's giving lemon luxury. I smell like maybe some vanilla notes, some floral notes. This is very nice. Ooh, this would go good with like a coconut base. So like a coconut body butter. Ooh, or vanilla, maybe coconut vanilla. That would pair very nicely. Because I like to smell exotic, you know, like not like a little girl. Because, you know, you would think lemon sugar, you would think that sounds kind of like juvenile, but it's very grown woman, okay? And it's just all how you combine, how you cocktail your scent. I should make a whole video. Well, I guess this is the video, but maybe I'll make another video going more in depth about that, because people always say, you smell amazing. And let me tell you something. If I get a perfume and I don't get a compliment on it, even if I like it, I'll never buy it again, because the way I see it, the whole point of having perfume is like you want other people to notice it. You don't want to be overpowering, like, ooh, that's too much. But I don't know, I just like to smell memorable and exotic. So here we have Maui in a bottle. I believe, if I remember this correctly, This one has like coconut and banana. I'm gonna spray this one on this side. Let's see what this gives. Oh yes, this one definitely is giving coconut. It's giving beach in a bottle, like white sands, luxury beach. This smells so good. And another thing I like about KAYALI, she always encourages people to like mix her scents. I've never cocktailed her scents together because I generally do like the layering technique that I mentioned, but it's worth trying. I'm just trying to think what oil like I would pair this with. I'm not gonna tell you guys my exact oils because then everybody will smell like me. Like, it's so unlike me to do a video with the scent that I'm wearing. That's why I cocktail it the way that I do, because I like to smell, like I said, unique and memorable. So I'm not gonna tell you what exact oils I use and how I do my combos. You know, I'm just trying to point you in the right direction, that's all. So now we have the Maldives in a bottle, Yang Coco. 20. Oh, this one is 37. That's how old I am. 37. That's how many times it took to get it right. The packaging is just, I love it. You know, you guys, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. It is a dream of mine, and God willing, it will come to fruition one day. It is a dream of mine to create my own perfume, because I love smells and scents and combining different things. Like, maybe one day. Let's spray this one here. Just one spray, just to get a scent. I don't want to waste, you know, these sample size. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite one. Woo! This is my favorite one. This is my favorite one. I would say second, and then I would rank these like equally, but this is my favorite one. The Maldives, like, I would get these two big bottles for sure. Oh, this smells amazing. Like, it smells like money, big money on the beach, like luxury vacation. Oh, KAYALI, she did her big one with these, okay? And then I got me like a I'll make a separate video for it. I got a like vanity organizer, and these are gonna look so pretty on it. But that's all I have for this video. Let me know if you guys want me to do more videos like this, more reviews. I smell all types of amazing right now. This is my favorite one. My favorite too. They all smell amazing, okay? Like, I'm not downplaying these, but these two are my favorites. But these smell amazing too. All right, so that's all I have for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, before I go, if you like this beautiful set that I am wearing, this is my Oasis press-on set. I will put the link for this in the description and pin it in the comments, okay? And I will also try to, if it's available, I will tag this set, because this was online only. I will tag this set in the video so you can purchase it for yourself, okay? Bye.